Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable the BitLocker in Windows 11. So, whether you are freeing up your system resources or preparing to change your hardware, turning off the BitLocker is quick and easy to do. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to click on the search icon in the taskbar and then type Control Panel and then open it. And in the control panel, select System and Security option and then click on BitLocker Drive Encryption. And then you have to locate the drive where the BitLocker is enabled. It will display a padlock icon next to the drive name. And then you have to click Turn off BitLocker next to the drive. Windows will now begin to decrypt the drive. This process can take some time depending on the size of the drive and the amount of data stored on it. You can continue using your PC while the decryption is in progress. And once the decryption process is complete, the BitLocker status for the drive will no longer appear, thereby confirming it is disabled. And there you have it. You have successfully disabled the BitLocker in Windows 11. It's worth reiterating that once you have disabled the BitLocker on your device, your drive will no longer have encryption protection. So make sure this step aligns with your security needs. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more such handy Windows 11 tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.